Hello everyone. In this video, we will solve this time and work question. First, we will solve this by using conventional method. Then we will derive a shortcut formula from this conventional method. Let's begin the question. Two workers A and B are engaged to do a work. A working alone takes 8 hours more to complete the job than if both work together. If B worked alone, he would need 4.5 hours more to complete the job than they were both working together. What time would they take to do the work together? So the question says that when A and B are working together, he will take T hours. I'm assuming this T. If A is working alone, he will take T plus 8 hours. A working alone takes 8 hours more than if both working together. And when B is working together, he will take 4.5 hours more than both working together. So it will become T plus 4.5 hours. This is in hour, this is in hours. So in 1 hour, A and B together will do how much work? It will be 1 by T. Same thing I will do for A alone. In 1 hour, A alone will do how much work? It will be 1 by T plus 8, and same with B, 1 by T plus 4.5. I can equate this thing. The key A and B together will do 1 by T work in 1 hour. Similarly, A alone will do 1 by T plus 8 unit of work in 1 hour, and B will do 1 by T plus 4.5 unit of work in 1 hour. This is A plus B working together. This is A alone, and this is B alone. We just have to solve this equation and find the value of T. Let's solve this equation. 1 by T is equal to what? T plus 4.5 plus T plus 8 divided by T plus 8 into T plus 4.5. Let's do cross multiply. T square plus 8T plus 4.5T, which is 12.5T. And 8 into 4.5, I can take 4.5 as 9 by 2. So 8 into 9 by 2, it will become 4 into 9 is 36. So I get 36 here is equal to what? T plus T is 2T multiplied by this T, which is 2T square, plus 8 plus 4.5, which is 12.5, into T, it will become 12.5T. This 12.5T, 12.5T will get cancelled, and I will get T square is equal to 36, T is equal to plus minus 6. I will take the positive part, so I get T is equal to 6 hours. This is my answer of this question. As you can see, you have to solve a lot in this question, and it is possible that you may do a mistake in exam situation. So let's find out a shortcut formula for this. I'm erasing this part. What I will do, I will generalize this equation using A and B. 1 by T is equal to 1 by T plus A. Instead of 8, I will take A, and instead of 4.5, I will take B. Let's cross multiply and do the same procedure. T plus B and T plus A will go to the numerator part, and I will get 2T plus A plus B. And in the denominator, I will get T square plus AT plus BT plus AB. And in the LHS, I will get 1 by T. Cross multiplying this, T square plus AT plus BT plus AB is equal to 2T square plus AT plus BT. From here, AT BT gets cancelled, and I get T square is equal to AB, T is equal to root AB. This is my shortcut formula. Whenever you find this type of question, just find a product of this 8 and 4.5, whichever value is given, and find a square root of it. Let's use this formula in this question. Under root of 8 into 4.5, which is 8 into 9 by 2, root of 36. The answer of this question is 6. And with this formula, you can do this question in 10 seconds. With this approach, you can do this in 1 minute. So this shortcut is much more easier to use. Basically, we are doing the same thing, but we have derived something. Okay, so I'm erasing this. I'll erase everything from this page, and I will just write the formula that when both A and B are working together, the time taken by them will become root of AB. Okay, so in this question, I get T is equal to 6 hours. Option C is the answer. Now, what if the question was, what is the time taken by A to work alone? Time taken by A to work alone. In this question also, you have to find this T is equal to root AB, then add this thing 8 hours more, which will be 14 hours. And for B, it will be 6 plus 4.5, which is 10.5 hours. So this is a very effective way to solve this type of question. I hope you have learned something new from this video. And if you are a CET aspirant and want to learn many more tricks like this, then you can join our CET course. Details of our CET course is given in our website, the link of which is given in the description below. You can go to the link. And still, if you have any doubt, then you can WhatsApp me. I'll put my WhatsApp link in the description. Thank you for watching this video. Have a very good day.